big sneezes.
Look over here.
Do you want to?
Oh, that's okay.
Is your little arm long enough to touch it? Do you want to touch him?
I wonder what she can see right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.